Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing another set of these Fast and Furious mystery packs. As a reminder, here are all the cars you could get. I really want the SVT Lightning or the Mitsubishi Eclipse, honestly. Let's see what we got in bag number one. So just as a reminder, for those of you who haven't seen the first video, these pieces of paper are pretty much meaningless. They're all legal jargon or things telling you not to eat these cars in another language. They don't come with any sort of guide. That's really just on the back of the package. Oh, here we go. And hell yeah, this is Brian's Mark IV Supra from the first movie. Pretty decent detail, actually. It's actually got the same paint as the Mark V Supra that I pulled in a previous episode. But as you can see, it's got those graphics, got the hood, headlights are painted in, taillights are painted, it's got the wing. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this one. It might be my favorite one I've pulled so far. Not too bad. All right, let's see what's in bag number two. Okay, bag number two, we got another Supra. This is also Brian's Supra, but this is from the 7th movie. If you remember, this is the car that he sort of drives away from Dom in when they're sort of parting ways at the fork in the road. And that's because Paul Walker had passed away while that movie was being shot. So this is a pretty cool car. I'm glad to have it in the collection. It doesn't roll very well, just like all of these, but cool car nonetheless. I like it. All right, bag number three. Let's see what we get. All right, looks red. And it is red, and that is the Lykan Hypersport. Man, this car probably is from one of the cringiest parts of the Fast and the Furious series. This is the car that drives out the side of the building in Dubai, and Dom is like, it's a shame to keep this beast in a cage, something like that. It is just absolute cringy. Whatever, this one's fine. Details are okay. Not a significant car, but no matter. Bag four. Come on, I really want this Eclipse, but just feeling this bag, I know what's in here. Paper, obviously, and Tej's dumb Jeep Gladiator. I pulled this one before. Decent detail, honestly. I just don't really care about it. It didn't play a significant role in the movies. Not a huge Jeep guy. It rolls fine. It's whatever. So, there we have it. That is all four of the cars I pulled. If you like these videos, let me know. I'll see if I can get more. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.